I think it's very important to have dialogues. So have dialogues on as many different areas as possible between Americans and Pakistanis. And one very good way of doing that is to have exchanges, to have Pakistani students go to the States, to have Americans come here. And then you actually face the person, you can ask questions directly. You see that we actually share much more than separate us. And I think every Pakistani who goes to the States can be an ambassador for Pakistan. And so right now we have 5,000 Pakistanis studying in the United States, all through the United States. And so they come, they talk about their country, they talk about their customs, they learn about the States. When they come back here, they in fact can remove misunderstandings.
Absolutely, because that is the main thing. That is to remove or to actually eliminate any kind of misconceptions that you have or people over there. So like they were like, okay, so what about the terrorism and going on in Pakistan? So I was like, we're not responsible for the terrorism. We are not terrorists. We are peace-loving people. Islam means peace. So, that's how I tried my best to remove, and I think that a lot of it worked, and a lot of people were like, okay, all the misconceptions have been cleared out.